right, so we layered our 13 by 9 with our cinnamon graham crackers. Now I'm coming in with my caramel apple pie filling, and we're gonna go ahead and use this whole can of caramel apple pie filling right on top of our graham crackers. I'm gonna bring in my spatula. I did cut up my apples just a little bit. You just take a sharp knife and you kind of rotate it in the can to make it super easy, mess-free. But let's go ahead and get that whole can out and spread it on top of our cinnamon graham crackers. I absolutely love those cinnamon graham crackers, but if you can't find them at your store, the regular graham crackers will work just as well. But let's go ahead and get these spread edge to edge. All right, now that that's nice and spread out, we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side, and we are gonna bring in a big bowl and a whisk. Now this is gonna be a big serving for a party, so I'm gonna bring in my big instant pudding and my little instant pudding of vanilla pudding, and we're gonna use both boxes right into our bowl. It's weird because they're different colors, but they're the same flavor. I wonder if it's because of the different branding, but we'll take it. Now I'm gonna bring in 4 cups of milk, and we're gonna pour it right into our pudding.
That's a lot of milk.
Yeah, and we're not done yet. We have to add 1 more cup, so a total of 5 cups for those 2 packages. That's just following what it says on the box. We're gonna bring in our whisk, and we are gonna mix this together. Oh my goodness, it smells so delicious, you guys. I absolutely love this recipe. You could use a cheesecake pudding, you could do a butterscotch pudding, but I think this vanilla is just gonna be the perfect kind of like tame flavor for that caramel apple, those cinnamon graham crackers. Oh yeah. Okay, we are gonna let this sit and get a little bit thick before we put it on top of our apples, but it looks like it's pretty much ready. All right, this is ready. So we're gonna bring back our 13 by 9 with those delicious graham crackers and pie filling, and we're gonna scoop our pudding right on top. Oh, this is the perfect consistency, not too hard, just a little, custard-like texture. And we're gonna put half of our mixture right on top of those apples. And we're gonna smooth it out, just like so. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good, you guys. One of my best no-bake desserts, perfect for fall, perfect for Thanksgiving, even for Christmas. If you guys don't want to turn on the oven, this is it, you guys. It is a no-fail, no-bake recipe. Okay, I think that looks absolutely beautiful. We'll save the rest for later. And now we're just gonna go ahead and repeat those same 3 steps. I won't bore you and repeat them on camera. Just know that that's what I did. All right, that was the rest of our pudding and our second layer of that. Now, before we finish this off, I'm gonna use the rest of my graham crackers. So there is 3 layers of graham crackers and only 2 layers of the apple pie filling and the pudding. But this is gonna be so great. These graham crackers are gonna create the perfect base for our last ingredient, which is really gonna pull all of these flavors together. You're gonna have to break these apart to get this fully covered. But let's go ahead and finish this up. All right, we had to get a little creative with those corner pieces, but this is ready for the best part, which is our caramel. I got the good one that has no artificial flavors or no artificial colors because there's already enough processed stuff in there. So let's go ahead and drizzle. Oh, don't worry, I have a spatula. We will make sure this gets from edge to edge for the most delicious caramel layer. We're gonna use this whole jar. Let's go ahead and just bring that spatula in now. Oh, doesn't that look so creamy and delicious?
It looks amazing. I've never seen caramel that looked this creamy and delicious.
Oh yeah, this is the best brand. You could also use Smucker's because this one's a little bit more expensive than Smucker's. Smucker's will work just as good, but if you have the few extra bucks, go for the Mrs. Richardson. Okay, she knows what she's doing. All right, let's go ahead and get this from edge to edge. All right, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I got all the graham crackers covered, and we'll probably spread a little bit more as it sits, but this is gonna go in the fridge for about 4 hours. All right, this is ready just in time for dessert. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to cut into this. It looks incredible. Oh, got
Oh, that's so cool.
Look at that.
That looks so good. See the graham cracker in there.
The graham crackers all soft and delicious. Ooh. All right. Time to dig in. Our caramel apple eclair cake.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be making this all fall long. It's so good.